All right, here we are. We're going to install a really standard Casket industry handle that's got a strap. The strap has a curve to it right here. There's a little, this is designed to have a little spring in it, and when you stretch this strap around the dowel, it's going to keep it tight. So I'll show you how that works. I've pre-marked. It helps to be on a surface that's a little bit soft so it won't damage the finish on the brackets. And I've got a jig here for holding it down tight. And this is going to get loud. But let me show you, this is about 1.5 inch brick chisel that's been ground out to a shape that's very useful in putting this down. So we start by pushing the strap around. All right, and now you'll see the strap doesn't reach because of the bend that's in here. So we're going to stretch this strap by giving it a couple really good taps here. And now I can start to bend those tabs in. Okay. And sometimes it's useful to just use a punch to get it all the way. And you can always just use a regular punch to get the last little bit of tight if you want. And that's it. That's how it works.